Okay, so I want to show you how to make the strong Kangen water with the 11.5 pH and the strong acidic water with the 2.5 pH. So on the machine, you're going to be pressing the 2.5 pH button. Don't forget, you're going to fill the electrolysis enhancer in the electrolysis chamber. On the ST501, there's a cartridge right on the side of the machine there. So we're going to turn the water on and divert the water through the machine. And the goal here is to make the stream of water that's coming out of the top hose as slow as possible. So you want to wait till it kind of beads. See how it's beading? Now if it's too slow, the machine will tell you to increase the flow. But the slower you go, the stronger the water. See? So it's telling me increase the flow, right? So I'm going to turn it up a little bit more. When that stops, okay, still beating, I want to feel the water like this with my fingers. And what's going to happen is because it emulsifies oil, you're going to start to feel a slimy feel to the water. And that's the water breaking the oils down on your hand, yeah? Okay, the next thing you want to do is, at that moment, you're going to capture the water here. And if you smell it, through smell-o-vision, don't smell too hard, okay? Don't smell too hard. But it's going to smell kind of like ammonia. Okay, but this is when the water is ready to be used. So like I said, the 11.5 is strong Kangen, right? So today I'm going to use it to take the pesticides off my greens. And at the same time, shucks, I should have did this. At the same time, I'm going to have a container here to capture the 11.5. I mean, the 2.5 strong acidic water. So you always want to consider when you're doing this, either filling containers or working on, either sanitizing or washing your produce, to have 2 containers available at the same time. Okay? It'll beep saying these aren't drinking waters. Yeah, but we're gonna fill it. Okay, and that's about it. Now when you're done doing this, you're gonna wanna clean the machine. So it's gonna say cleaning. So put the water to clean water setting, let the water run, and when the cleaning function is done, it'll tell you it's ready to utilize one of the drinking waters. Okay? There you go.